The ASUS Transformer Mini is a portable 2-in-1 PC that's built for people who are always on the move. At only 530 grams and 8.2 millimeters thin, it's ready to go anywhere at any time. The magnesium aluminum alloy makes this PC tough enough to last for the long haul while still looking great. The ASUS Transformer Mini features a stepless hinge and wide display viewing angles. You'll have a comfortable experience no matter where you find yourself. A built-in fingerprint scanner provides strong security, and you can perform one-touch logins without sacrificing ease of use. The display is bright enough to work outdoors without a hitch. A full range of hardware inputs ensure you never need to bring adapters to enjoy full connectivity. Under the hood, there's an Intel Atom X5 processor for getting through daily tasks and even to do a little gaming on the side. The included keyboard cover not only helps you navigate through Windows 10, but it protects the ASUS Transformer Mini in transit. The large touchpad recognizes multi-touch gestures, which can take your productivity to the next level. You've got quartz gray and pearl white color options to pick from. The ASUS Pen works great with the ASUS Transformer Mini. With it, you can take notes, mark up screenshots, and sketch freely. Would you like to know more about the ASUS Transformer Mini? Visit asus.com for all the details.